I am going to sing just what I needed by the cards. I don't mind you coming and wasting time, I got what I needed. What? That is thanks. That Buran messed up that lyrics. Boom. This all dogs go to heaven game does not comprehend Starbucks. Is this some sort of baritone or a tenor? Warning, your alert screen got King Gator asking you if you got the McDonald's. You have to restart your work page. What? No, why is there a Charlie Barkin loading screen page? The Charlie B. Barkin poster is explosive. No, why is Minnie Mouse trapped by this gorilla in the sand? No, why is King Gator called Gator in the production shelves of the All Dogs Go to Heaven book called Charlie's Friends? That is just wrong because King Gator became my favorite character. Tony Proctor created this image. What the Bart Reynolds? Get the key to get McDonald's. Why would you even do this in the gonzo so the Louis Splash arrive to morph in the things? Why in the Fred is your chance that commercial is sumptuous? We are birds of a feather, looking for the right cage. Boom to front page.